Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox and going straight to the page showing pending requests. This saves time. Once there, locate the exact request. Use the username, item name, or request ID to avoid mistakes. Make sure you are signed in to the correct account and that your connection is stable so changes register. If you're on mobile, switch to desktop mode when needed because some cancel options appear only on desktop. Now, select the request to reveal cancel controls. You'll now perform the cancellation. Click the request to open its detail view and then look for a cancel, revoke, or delete button. Sometimes it's nested under 3 dots. Once you tap cancel, read the confirmation prompt. This explains refunds or whether items return to inventory. Confirm only when sure. If the cancel option is missing, try the settings privacy or transaction history path, or message the recipient to request manual cancellation while you finish by verifying the request shows as canceled or removed in your history. That confirms success. Once done, clear your browser cache or log out and back in if the status doesn't update immediately because UI caches sometimes lag. Make sure to keep screenshots and the transaction ID. They're crucial if you need escalation. If cancellation still fails, contact Roblox support with those details. Explain what you tried and include timestamps so they can resolve it faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.